I must give it up to my guys who painted my truck. It is looking good. He came out real nice. I said, ooh, I like it. So I think it's good enough now where I can go ahead and put all the words back on it. So we straight. The blue machine is in full effect. Yeah. That part right there. Yeah. Well, new project. Out with the old, in with the new. I went ahead, started taking off the words off the truck. This is how this side used to be, but that's how it is. Garage door company. So we're going to get the words off and keep it going. Newest addition to the family. New pickup truck. Sold the old one. Got some stuff to fix over here. Got to get the front together. Got most of the parts on the way. So we're gonna get it going. Stay tuned. This is round one of more rounds to come. It ain't easy. Project pickup truck. Got one fender, two fenders. Got a new grill. Got the valence. Not that bumper. I got a radiator support over there, brackets. So we coming along pretty good. The comeback will be real. Gotta go. Got bored, so I got busy. I went ahead and broke down the whole front end. Turns out we do need a new radiator support because the other one was too far gone. So, but everything else is lining up okay. Yeah, so we're gonna keep it pushing forward to make it do what it do. See, we got all of the outside stripped off. Still ordering more parts because we found stuff that we also need. It's coming together pretty clean. Or should I say it's going forward pretty good. Nothing unexpected has showed up yet. Can't wait to get all the parts so I can start reassembling it. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. So we can get it all. Boy, you won't be able to guess how many screws it takes to put Humpty Dumpty back together again. I tell you. And to get things lined up after an accident, sometimes you just gotta make do what you gotta make do, or make some adjustments. That's when that I guess that knowledge of adapt and overcome takes over. So you know you gotta know how to adapt and overcome certain situations. So that's what we've been putting on, taking off, putting on, taking off, adjusting, readjusting. You know, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Now we're going for the fender and the hood. Stay with me. I'm going in. This cranberry ain't no joke though. This Silverado ain't no punk either. Not bad for an amateur, you know. Got a few things left to do, but pretty much I got the lines pretty much where they need to be at within acceptable stances, you know. Pretty good there. Yeah, we equaled it out over there. One a little wide at the bottom, but it's okay. You know, I think if my man Troubleshooter was still here with me, he'd say, Rob, it's pretty goddamn good. Yeah, it's acceptable. I can live with that. It's that Money's car stereo. Well, this is my personal stuff, so that really don't count under the umbrella of Money's car stereo. But it's all me. Hit the block a little too early. As y'all see, ain't shit on the block. But wait until they open up. It's gonna be cracking like rocks for sale. Please believe me. If you don't know where I'm at, well, you don't know where I'm at. Checking it out. Getting it in, getting it in. Here's the inside of the truck. Make it red, leather-like material. Probably do inside from this line down on the seats with the perforated holes. Through here, same pattern. The armrest will have it'll have red on top of that. On the seats, I wanted to say MCS Edition. MCS above it, Edition, centered on the headrests. All four headrests. And on the door panel right here. I want these to be having red in them. Red vinyl, the leather, same materials over here. The seat, I guess leave the gray down here. I'm waiting for the seat belt to come in, which hasn't come in yet. We're gonna make the headliner, redo it or clean it so the stains aren't in it. Probably just redo it because there's a mirror in there. Yeah. Redo that. Outside you got dents in the bed all along here. This bumper needs to be disassembled so that the paint is beyond the rubber. So if you step on this bumper, it's going to flex and you're going to see the black. So it needs to be completely grayed out. Remove this, put the gray behind it, take the emblems off. Taillights need to come out. You know, Nicholson and Matt Paz, they had pulled the bed off so you'll see the paint in between the bed. That's not really a big issue. I'm providing the bed liner material for this right here. Do the bed liner stuff into there. The front on the grill section itself needs to be all gloss black. All of this whole section will be gloss black through here. This outer trim does come off of this light. You have to take it out and take it off because I don't want to get paint or sand marks on my new lights. The black plastic scenario, this I believe comes off of here, and this comes off of here. So this will be gloss black satin, like that. Gloss black satin. The bumper goes gray. The bottom part needs to be removed because I don't want gray paint all over that because it's going to be black, gray, black, satin, up through there. This needs to come off, of course, because I gave up when I was fighting with that. And so that's where we're at with it. Let me know what you're thinking.